What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Little Roy, aka Lil Roy TV. We got a special vid for you guys here. Right here is the black Nike box. You see the title, so you see what sneaker we're going over. The Nike Dunk High Fragment. They call it the wine. It's literally on the label: wine, black, white. Nike Dunk High. This is a size 10. But yeah, I'm doing it without even really saying the intro. But either way, we're gonna get into that. Like I said, let's get the energy going. I'm just hot and I just want to go do what I have to do today. Excuse me. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Funny thing is, I knew my phone was gonna ring. I knew the person was gonna call. Either way, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We trying to get 1K subs. As soon as we hit 1K subs, we're doing an absolutely free giveaway. So make sure you guys are part of that. Hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Yeah, as well, like this video, follow me on Instagram, and check out my main channel. Everything, all the links will be in the description down below. So make sure you go do that. And let's get right into it, because you see I already was interrupted. So let's get right into it. Alright, so off rip, that's the thing I'm saying now. I realize in every video when I'm editing it, I say, alright, so off rip. But yeah, off rip. I'll tell you a little story as I'm showing you the box. Like I said, black on black crime right here. Size 10. Nike Dunk High Fragment. They call it the wine. Right there on the label it says wine, black, white. Funny thing is, obviously this dropped on the sneakers app. I didn't win no raffle or nothing for these. The phone that I use to record these videos, I tried it on this sneakers app on this account. My main phone that is charging right now, that account, and then my mom's account on her phone. I always say let's go for the same sizes, because I just deboed the one size that I'm trying to split it one out of each chance. So my phone, this phone, both said didn't select. Didn't select. I don't know if I still got the picture. I'll see. I know I've been slacking posting screenshots, but if I have that picture, I'll post it right here. Boom, I'll post it, or whatever side it is, show it at. But my mom and her account, and like she ended up checking her account on the inbox, and it literally said, because at the time they dropped men's sizes and preschool, I believe. So she checked the inbox thing, and it literally popped up and said got him, like a late got him. So I was like, oh snap. So we end up hitting on her account, so that's good. So here's the shoe right here. There's nothing to really show you in the box. It's just literally an empty box and no details or anything. So let's take the two shoes out and really get over them. They feel so chunky. I believe it's my first Nike Dunk High on the channel as well. So let's do the thumbnail. Let's flip the shoe so it can look better. And that's that right there. Let me fix the shoelace because I don't want that sticking out. But yeah, let's do the little quick thumbnail. And it matches the wall too, which is funny. So yeah. Boom, that's the thumbnail. So they definitely do smell weird and different. Obviously, it's not like a Jordan 1 or anything. This is literally a Nike Dunk High. So I'm just trying to wipe off the flaws because I didn't even check these out, literally. But sheesh, what the hell? Yeah, mad flaws. I think that's like a glue stain. Either way, it's right here. Got the Fragment logo right there. To me, this is like a burgundy, more or less, than a freaking like a wine color. But I know wine is this type of color for all the adults out there that drink wine. You know, to get right, this is how it looks. The bottom, regular. I didn't realize it really came. I didn't realize it really came with the like their own version of the off-white type of stuff. Like it says something right there. And the fine print literally says like a whole code, then it says Nike Dunk High Fragment Design. Let's see if I could put it a little closer. I can't see what y'all see, but if y'all see it, y'all see it. I look funny peeking under the shoe. But either way, this is how it looks. That's the inside. Like I said, it's not too crazy. Prices did dip down on these. That's why I sold it for a good price. Because I know in the long term, they're gonna go down rather than up, because no one really likes Nike Dunk highs that much, especially in this colorway. Yo, there's so much flaws on this shoe. I hope they really don't say like, yo, this is used or anything, because that would be a major blow. Okay, they do have tissue in them. They are DS, so don't try to violate. So many flaws. Like, it got like, I don't know, a glue stain right there, like a scratch. What was the other part I saw? I don't know, but let me know if you guys like these. Did you cop? Do you want them still? Did you take a L? Did you take a W? Let me know in the comments. Do you guys even like Nike Dunk highs, let alone a Fragment, because they had the logo there with the lightning bolt? I literally just saw another flaw, but I forgot. What was I looking at? That, I don't know. It's not the bottom. But, yeah, all these damn glue stains. Holy shoot. I'm just trying to look at the shoe. I know I keep smelling it because it just smells different. There's really nothing in there as well. It's just, I can't even see with the light. Oh, it's just a purple thunderbolt inside, so, yeah. Alright, well, this is how it looks on top. Side, like the inside, the outside, both like before. The back with the lightning bolt on both. There's nothing on the tongue. It's literally just a purple Nike logo, if you could see it. I don't even know if you could see it, but yeah, right there. Yeah, there's nothing really much to say about this shoe. If you like it, you like it. You could cop. Prices are gonna dip down a bit, so you could grab it when it goes down. And everything else. Yeah, I found the other flaw. What the hell is Nike doing, son? It's like someone wrote on it. Look at that. It's like a pen mark. I don't know if you can see the little blue. It's like a pen. Like someone took a pen and was like, oh, my fault. So I hope they don't look at that and say that's my fault, because I have nothing to do with that. Nike just be violating. Let me try to take it out a bit. I don't want it to spread though. Alright, I took it out. A little saliva and scratching. Alright, it's gone. Officially, it's gone. I can't even see anything. Alright, so size 10. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Is this shoe a bust, or do you guys like this yourself? Did you grab a pair? Let me know in the comments. I know the video is a little too long than what it should be. It's just I was trying to look at the flaws, as well as there's really not much to say about the shoe. Do you guys like the Nike collab with Fragments? Of course, Jordan 1s, and plus the Travises that's coming later on this year. The Jordan, Travis, Nikes, all the whole bunch of collabs. It's going to be so much money, resale market. But either way, this is this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I do have a video of another dunk I was going to upload, but I literally forgot to edit it. So I'm going to post this video first, just because it's the newer shoe. And then I'll post the other one, just as a bonus for you guys. So by the time you watch this, this sneaker will not be available at all, because it's already sold it. But yeah, I just want to get this shit out of my house already. I don't care about these. I'm just glad I could get them and make some money. So stay tuned for the next video. Keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. If you're here, I know my energy is down for this video. My bad. I'm just hot and I have to go to the gym. So I'm ready to work out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, let me dip and put this and do my little outro. See ya guys in the next one.